kitty and the case of the hiccups. Hiccups. Oh no, Pete has the hiccups. Hiccup, hiccup. How do you stop the hiccups? Pete asked Grumpy Toad. How do I stop my hiccups? I know, said Grumpy Toad. You stand on one foot. Pete stand on one foot. Hiccup. Pete still has the hiccup. Pete asked Katy, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, said Katy. You stand on one foot and hop up and down. Pete stand on one foot. He hopped up and down. Hiccup, hiccup. Pete still has the hiccup. Pete asked us, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, said Gus. You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song. Pete stand on one foot. He hopped up and down. Hop up and down. He sang a song. Hiccup, hiccup, hiccup. Pete still has the hiccups. Pete asked Bob, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, said Bob. You stand on one foot and hop up and down and sing a song. And rub your belly, said Bob. Pete, that's it. Hiccup, nothing is working. Pete still has the hiccup. Go ask Mom, said Bob. Pete asked Mom, how do I stop my hiccups? I know, said Mom. You take a deep breath. Pete take a deep breath. Hold your breath and blow it out, said Mom. Pete hold his breath. Pete blow his breath out. That is Pete's ass. That is, said Mom. Pete raised and he raised and he raised. The hiccups are gone. Moms are so smart. The end.